Okay, I'm gonna try this one-handed down Cranmer. It's beautiful powder. It's a little windy, especially chilly on no gloves. Nothing like skiing by your lonesome in the fresh powder. Lots of people, got some foods, somebody took a spill, as long as it's not me. Skis, see the skis? Watch your skis and ski, Let's take it downhill. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful, I say. Too bad there's nobody in my frame that I know. I'm sure you like the commentary. Trying to somehow get to Super Gauge via Olympia. Can't say I'm hurrying. Just taking a Sunday afternoon ski. With a little video and oh yeah. Beautiful weather. Look at me. Don't have to worry about bad spots. Awesome powder. Loving it. Loving it. This might be my favorite run of the trip. Right here. Even though my hand is currently frozen. Signing out. Awesome. And that's what we came down. Awesome.